Planted everywhere coloring pages. Let's look inside this 25-page coloring book file. In my TPT store, under coloring pages, you tap on it. After you purchase it, you get two files. First file will be a PDF file. That way you can print as many copies as you want at home for their family, and also a Procreate file format. Once you download it, you click on it, it automatically opens up in your Procreate. And this is what you'll get inside. There's 25 pages. So here are all 25 designs. A quick look through. It's all about plants and how they grow anywhere they have some light and some soil. Those are the 25 pages. Once you grab your Apple Pencil, all these pages are turned on down here with Page Assist, which can be found in your Canvas option right here. You can actually turn this off and on. So you want to leave it on, but by accident, if you turn it off, that's where you can find it to turn it back on. Each page has a group of 2 pages within the inking folder and the color here folder. Once you look through, maybe you decide, okay, I want to color this one. Change the page orientation. You tap on it once. 15 is the page, so page 15, that's the inking. Tap on color here. Grab whichever Procreate brush you'd like. I'll grab the dry ink and you color away. Because it's on another layer, it doesn't interfere with the inking layer itself. You can also tap on the layer, the inking layer, tap on reference, go back to your color here and use it as an auto fill option. You can also bring down your colors like so. So it's easy to access. The different colors and so on. Let me clear that. Turn off reference. So I hope you enjoy these awesome 25 different pages of flowers planted everywhere. Tag me in the comments. I want to see your results of how you color, what color you chooses, and where you're coloring. I'll talk to you guys soon.